Hi, how are you? My name is Beto Pino from Vantage, and I'm here to present you the perfect recipe for a Phygital launch. Phygital is a cosmetic design that is going to take in consideration physical, like appearance, sensorial, and digital. How it's going to photograph. Is that good enough to be viral? Well, basically today we're going to unbox beautiful empathy. Why empathy? Because empathy is one of the only things that AI cannot do against humans. Because empathy, you cannot pretend it, you need to feel it. So our recipe for Phygital has three main elements that are inside of this box. So the first element is originality. Nowadays, it's not enough to be original, authentic. You need to be original, the first in your kind. Second, memorability. Everybody can be viral, correct? But what happens if you want to be memorable? You don't want to be a 3 weeks TikTok shop success. You want to be a for life success. And last but not least, engage. Everybody can be online, but what happens when people want to interact with you, want to give you feedback? Are you open to that? Do you have the chance to reformulate, to have a Gen 2 taking your population and your fans' information? That's the question. So in this box, we have 15 formulas, 15, to address from sun care, skin care, hair care, and even makeup, different approaches about how you can have a perfect Phygital launch. One of our launches for this show is Scalp Oxguard. This is a very potent antioxidant ingredient that is going to be fascinating for your scalp. What it does, first of all, is lipophilic, which is fantastic because if you're talking you have something for scalp in aquaphase, it will rarely work. You need something that is lipophilic because at the end of the day, we're talking scalp and sebum that you need to penetrate to. Something that is important besides the botanical extracts like licorice, algae, mushroom, it has on top of that resveratrol and jojoba esters, where Vantage will love jojoba, that really can penetrate the follicle to regenerate it. The result of this ingredient is we are really going to increase up to 13% hair density, and we have the in vivos to prove it, and 15 times the scalp barrier, which is definitely an amazing product for scalp health. Formulation, because this is inky with rinky, we have a very sexy formula to work with. So it's summer, we need an Aperol. What happens if we can create as Aperol for your scalp? So this is a formula. If you can see very close, you can see the droplets that are red.
That looks so cool.
You can think, oh, they use a pigment to that. No, because it's Scalp Oxguard, it's red it is. So we're not added any color. So with this, you can apply this product directly to your scalp, give it a nice massage, has a little bit of culac, so it really refreshes. And the question, Beto, is only for this kind of serums? No, we created also this emulsion for foamer. So we put it in this very nice foamer, and then you apply. What was an inspiration? Obviously, we're trying to talk to this population that has amazing and beautiful braided hair. With this, you cannot have like a shampoo that is going to destroy the shape of your braids. You want something that you can really go directly to the scalp to kind of really mitigate the excess of sebum. I want to talk about something that is super exciting for us. Stratacin jojoba. It's an original ingredient that is the first of its kind. I don't know if you know this, but after we press our amazing jojoba from Arizona, Argentina, the cake is not even useful for cows. They don't need it. It's an appetite suppressor. What we did is that we take that amazing cake, we ferment it with Lactobacillus plantarum to find a filter that is very unique. We double the amount of protein in that using the fermentation, but also we have very potent activity for regulation of collagen production and the most important, even wound healing. So what we did for this is like not only showing collagen itself, with this very novel study that we did with Cosmos Science, we proved how for the first time we can show really collagen synthesis map in the face. What is very exciting about this is that you can see almost like a final product approach about how Stratacin really develops not only collagen in total, but collagen synthesis itself. You said, show me the clinicals. Well, basically we can increase first collagen production by 26%, 10% of reduction in wrinkles, and other thing that is important is 6% removing skin texture. All of that with one product. Beauty is upcycled because it comes from jojoba cake. Other thing that is amazing is that it's super green, sustainable product, and it works. What we're looking for. Other thing that is important, we focus to the décolletage area. Everybody can do skin aging for the face, but this area is thinner and has less collagen structure. We did the studies to include a very kind of complicated area that now with the technique that we're watching our phone, more than ever, we need to focus how we can really structure collagen here. And in formulas, because this is inky with rinky, we put it in this fantastic ice cream. This ice cream is a very thick formula But you can apply it in your neck and in your decolletage, leave it rest for 50 minutes, and then use it twice per week to have the most amazing skin ever in your skin. So protect the skin of your neck as well. And don't forget the Stratas in Jojoba is the first of its kind because nobody's doing fermentation on the jojoba cake.